Scalpers are going to scalp, and I can't wait till they lose all their money. It's going to be beautiful. So the ROG Xbox Ally is being posted on eBay for up to $2,000 to $2,500. Yes, the device that literally is currently MSRPing at a solid grand. And by the way, right now on BestBuy.com, if I wanted to, I could pre-order this right here. I could pre-order this right now within seconds. No hassle at all. So the fact that scalpers are trying to sell this for double the price is crazy. And you might think, oh, well, of course, they're not actually selling, though. No, they're actually selling $1,700, $1,600. Now, eBay has updated their policy to try to help with scalpers to a certain degree. So now with scalpers, because, it happens so often, you can only post up a pre-order. By the way, these are all just pre-orders. They aren't actually like, you see RIG Ally, $1,800. This is a pre-order. This isn't the actual device yet. And, I mean, the rabbit hole goes down farther and farther and farther the more you go. But my point is that you can now only do it up to 30 days. So the device has to be coming out within 30 days for you on eBay to be able to, quote-unquote, sell a pre-order. So in the past, you could sell a pre-order and be like, hey, guys, selling this device is coming out in, 2 or 3 months, but you can pre-order it now with me, and spend double the price, right? But you can no longer do that. They now make it so it has to be within 30 days of the product release. That way, scalpers can't really scalp that much. But the reason why this is so stupid is not only is it still available at Best Buy and other local retailers, they're going to restock this device very frequently, apparently. So based on what we understand, this is not a device that's going to be, sold out for a very long time. Microsoft's doing a good job of constantly restocking this device, and they're going to over and over again. So, listen, scalpers are going to scalp no matter what, and I think Xbox put out a tweet yesterday saying, like, hey, this device sold out within, seconds, and I think a lot of it sold out, seconds is because of the fact that people have bots, right? They have bots set up for these devices. Whenever a device comes out, they're going to have a bot set up that automatically buys 1,000 versions of that actual device. And because of that, these scalpers are going to lose a lot of money. And you would think that they learned with the Nintendo Switch 2, where at one point they couldn't even sell the Switch 2. They were discounting the Switch 2 right now so quickly because they're losing money. They're losing money left and right. And guess what? I love it. Fluff those scalpers. Okay, I don't normally say that on this channel, but fluff those scalpers. They deserve nothing but pain. I don't care. I don't care. If you're a scalper, I don't care. Okay? You deserve the pain. You deserve to lose money. This is a learning lesson. And I think Microsoft might delete that tweet, but I saw it on SpawnWave, the tweet about them selling out so quickly. But yes, if you are a scalper, enjoy your L. Enjoy your L over and over and over again. And I hope you get many more, because, just absolute, I'll say scum of the earth. You know what? Yeah, I'm going to say it. Scum of the earth when it comes to it. It's just, I hate it so much. So there's 2 different versions of the ROG Ally, or keep calling it the ROG Ally. The ROG Xbox Ally X. Now, I talked about this before. Listen, this is not an Xbox. They keep saying it's the first portable Xbox. It's not a portable Xbox. It's not an Xbox in any capacity. This is a game streaming device that you can use Xbox Game Pass to stream games to. You cannot run native Xbox games. A lot of people I've seen all the time now keep thinking this is an Xbox. It's not. clearly what we have seen is that Microsoft does not want to risk, their sales of their Xbox, which they just recently increased the price tag of. They don't want to risk the price tag increase it, or they don't want to risk any sales from that. So because of that, they're trying to keep this, they're trying to make sure that this is not an actual Xbox, which I find so stupid. Like, at this point, man, just do it. Just give us an actual Xbox. And, by the way, shout out to Spawn Wave for posting this, but this is the tweet I was talking about. The hype is real. ROG Ally X pre-orders are sold out on the store worldwide. So, the two price tags are $1,000 and $600. This is not surprising, price tag-wise. I think a lot of people expected this. For the most part, again, this is just kind of how it is nowadays when it comes to price tags like this. Everything's more expensive. Everything's going to get crazier and crazier, and yeah. But anyway, as I was saying, I made a whole video about this, but they're not going to give us a device that can run an Xbox games natively, even though it's called an Xbox, because they want to keep the sales going for their consoles. So it's stupid. I mean, you're literally saying, okay, well, if you want, you can spend $1,000 and you can't even run Xbox games natively on an Xbox Ally. Meaning, if you don't have Wi-Fi, then this device pretty much becomes pointless for Xbox Game Pass. You can actually, I think, I believe here, for Xbox Game Pass, I think you can run games without Wi-Fi. I believe. I don't use Xbox Game Pass that much, but I believe you can. So, I take that statement back. But still, it's just, man. It's anti-consumerism at its finest. Just give us the ability. If we spend $1,000, I want to be able to run Xbox games on an Xbox device. But, no. Again, I think the price tag that would have been perfect for this device, I would say for the ROG, the white edition, I guess the Ally, just not the Xbox Ally, not the X. I feel like this should have been $399. And I know that might have been a crazy price tag, and that's way too little for some people are going to say, but I think this should have been $399. And I think that the Xbox Ally whatever should have, this one, the 24 terabyte one, I think this should have been $799. My personal opinion. I say $799 and $399. It's half the performance, right? You're with the Xbox Ally X whatever, you're getting double the performance, double the RAM of the other version. You're getting double the storage, double the RAM, double the everything. And I know it does actually calculate to half, right? Because it's $1,000 versus $500, excluding tax. But I just feel like if you're making this realistically, I would say 100% $399, $799. That way, most of the consumers can actually afford this. But $1,000, ridiculous. $500 for that. Get a Steam Deck, man. Get a Steam Deck. Get a used edition of an ROG Ally X that came out last year. We also have devices that are $2,000 with, what was that? The Win 5 or whatever, the new Win device. And then the Legion Go is $1,300. Like, these prices are getting ridiculous. All they're doing is pricing out the average consumer, man. And it's like, it gets to a point where it's just pointless. Like, the average consumer can't buy the device. So what's the point of even getting excited about it? Because at this point, mainly, and I would say not every single person, but there is a lot of people who bought this device who are just scalpers. Like, there's a good chunk of people who bought this device who are just scalpers. And I would say out of all their sales, if they did sell out on Xbox and Asus website, which not surprising, I'm going to go on a limb here, and I might be completely incorrect to talk it out of my butt. I'm going to say 65% of all sales, 100% was like scalpers. 65% of their sales were scalpers. And, I mean, you could even go farther than that, but I'm going to say 65% were scalpers and not actual real customers. Which, again, like I said, I hope scalpers lose over and over and over again. I hope they consistently lose and they consistently take L's on this because, you know, they're never going to learn, let's be honest. Scalpers, they're just never going to learn because the point is they're going to forever try to, you know, make money off the average public by doubling the price and, you know, fluffing us over. But nonetheless, though, yeah, tell me down below your thoughts, opinions. See you guys next one.